Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm Brie if you're new, and today's video I am showing you what's in my carry-on bag for medium haul flights. It's about 5-6 hours. I'm going to Bali. I'll be there right now when this video goes up. Follow me on Instagram to keep up with all that. I'll be linked down below. And yeah, let's get into it. Ooh. This is the bag I'm bringing. It's my carry-on bag. It's just an easy little tote that I stole from my mom. Let's get right into it. Attached to the side I have a little travel pillow because our flight on the way back is an overnight one, so I want to sleep. First thing, I have this little pouch, which is my necessities pouch. I have my vlogging camera because I'm going to be vlogging a lot while I'm there. My passport holder, which also has like my cards in it. Eye mask, little silk eye mask from Slip. Have earphones. A pen and a lip balm. That is all in there. In this little side pocket I just have some playing cards because why not? Also got my phone. I have my laptop because I'm going to have to edit vlogs and do some work while I'm there. So that should really get like a really little one. Why does it feel so heavy? Anyway, future investment. Laptop. A book that I'm reading. You Can Heal Your Life. You Can Heal Your Life by Louise Hay. I also got Maker's Miracles because I'm doing that right now. I have my notebook, which I use to take notes from things I'm learning from books or challenges that I'm doing. I also have a journal. I have a colouring in book. I don't even know which way it goes. A colouring in book. So do some colouring on the plane or whatever. It's just a nice mindful activity. I've got all my electronics and chargers in there. Little disposable camera. I love film pictures and my film camera is not working at the moment, so I need to get that fixed when I get home. And then finally I have the like little handbag that I'm taking, and in it I put a spare pair of pajamas, you know, just to be safe, a spare pair of togs in case swimmers, in case bags get lost, a little umbrella, spare pair of underwear, scrunchies, sunglasses, and my jewellery. Just, you know, all the valuables, everything I need, just in case. Yeah. That's all that is in my carry-on bag. Oh, and I also bring a jumper, because it gets cool on the flights, and it's just good to have a jumper to be safe. Oh, another thing I'm bringing, which isn't in here because it's charging, is my Kindle and a portable charger. Yeah, that was it. So that's everything. That's everything that's in my carry-on bag. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more videos from me every Tuesday, Thursday, and most Sundays. Keep up with the vlogs. I'll be posting some from Bali. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, my loves.